Are you looking for how to separate 9-1 numbers in Excel? Then keep watching. A very common problem for people handling marketing data. People usually want to strip it to get the clean 10-digit mobile number. In this video, I recommend showing 3 methods so viewers of all skills level stay engaged. The first method is the flash fill. This is the magic for beginners. So place the cursor and type the 10 digits number without 91 in the cell next to your data. Hit enter and then press Ctrl E. So Excel will see the pattern and fill the flash fill. This is the easiest method. Let me remove it. And now, for example, copy this data and paste into the next to the cells. So now press the Ctrl H, and in the find and replace, you need to find plus 91 and replace with leave the blanks and replace all and click OK, close it, and here you can see that a clean data in your Excel sheet. If you have a large data, then you must use the formula method, and now place the cursor in the cells and put the equal sign and type right, open the bracket and select the cells reference, comma, space, and put the number of digits you want to show, for example 8 digits, and close the bracket and hit enter, and here you can see that the 8 digits shows. If you want to show it 10 digits, F2 and put 10, hit enter, and then you can see that the number of digits you can easily show up in your large Excel data. Moreover, if you use the formula method, then you should copy by Ctrl C and right click and go to the page special and click values, click OK. So if you delete this data, and your number will not be affected. There is another method, which is the text to column. For this, you need to copy the data and paste it. Make sure this method slices the column into 2 parts, separating the country code from the phone number. So first select the column containing your phone numbers and then go to the data tab and click text to column. In the preview window, you need to click on the fixed width, click next, and put the cursor where you want to create a vertical line break, and click next and click finish, and here you can see that your data has been separated into 2 columns and 9-1 has been separated, and you can easily use this data into your project. So I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.